final battle is going up against Illectrik and Kariz-Matikk. Stay tuned.
Yeah, man, I want to them. Oh, this Illectrik, you know what I'm name? Chenille. Now, girl is on the stage with him bleach out face. Mama tell you this. Yo, hey, a Sashga Artiste Elevation this. Yeah. Yo, hey. Yo, I want to take that fool ya, oh him name Illectrik. See me face ya, fool take your best kick. Tell your mother, say she better cook your best dish. For rise against me, my youth, make a death with Sashga. You know see I made a rest this. Artiste Elevation are the baddest contest this. Time on the rough, but still are the bestest. Still can't try, come dust for test this. Man a real youth with militancy. Think your bad, come touch me, gangsy. Rush you down a public in a taxi. You bleach out your face like a name patsy.
Yo, we just kill life from the first round. We just kill him from the first round. You know what the boy around here, my pre-born face and him like him love man. You hear me say, I girl for pre my face. You hear me say no? Kill him from the first round. Sashga, kill him from the first round. And me kill him and take the prize no. You hear me say? Listen me. Speak lyrics, yo. Kariz-Matikk come and go like say him slick, but me no touch him. Me just make rising break, give him a kick and run on Panji Sodo and give him about 3 dozen. Out of me shoes him come and talk about he was violate the real G, Illectrik the VP. Right now me a fit bus big like Washington DC. Ja'ari we could never be party because you are people. Yo, squeeze this same thing make you scatter like. You must say no? No don't read me yet. You must say listen, me no don't read me yet man. Lyrics can't in the middle. Listen here, listen. Yo. Squeeze this thing, make brains scatter like Asham. Me Russian, boy swell up like Akam. Me grow like a soldier, bad man style me pattern. Pick up this pen shell, crime.
I want to tell you, yo, I tell you this. Hey, man, a real youth, a real Selassie recruit. Look for yourself. Yo, hey, youth, me not afraid to make a boy mother ball fame. Trouble you want you call feet. So why the thing them turn on or you start scream. Never know you're softer than Adrian. Camouflage in a style with the all green. Step on your base, not a nice scene. Know that boy you soft out like ice cream. Want violate man and all. Guess what, I'm out of you rock foot of the killer them. Don't make me call out nation gorilla them. Not even the man pan the cars can deliver them. Them thing you fly through your heart and you liver them. Hey, that boy you with certain chat like him tough like turtle back. But when we are comfy boy.
Yo, listen me, yo. Me am the boy, them food because me greedy. The rifle squeeze his skin bun like BD. Sniper lock one eye fi close and me see. Boy rotten and stink like two we cheesy. The high grade we eat is smoke flow like wheezy. Clip no empty, me spray them like graffiti. Blood run so me dogs, the kick like sweetie. Swamp them living now. So me say, what a pity. Little boy, you know, she say bad man a soldier. We the thing them oil up like say it a obia. When this thing it guts like one of the cobra.
Yo, Matic, shut it, you hear that? Clarity youth, when I hear your voice. You see you talk like a girl. Chenille, I want to him. Youth, yo, hey. Choose some boys, see we kick back, calm and simple. Fool, you better realize where you are running into. Big machine, boss, you are ball at Nadine to accessory, never know you're running into. Here, boom, like police, him a ball out back up. Any boy running them head side pack up. Look like that boy, you get him head feet crack up. Chinese cake up, down, skull crack up.
You may say no? Yeah, joker man. Kariz-Matikk, sick of me kill you already. You get a chance and I come and hype. You may say, listen, yo, smoke until me need ear, him need to repair. Him girl a trick me make you drip just like a beach wear. Approach with caution, title print, no put your feet there. Me and no killer, but don't push me like a wheelchair. Girl from my mind like beer says, have a game pound like a weird chest. Don't worry about them, boy, they can all of them feel me like a AIDS test. But the boys think come to bass and speaker.
Yes, we have chosen our winner. It could be Illectrik, it could be Kariz-Matikk. The winner will be on Sashga Production Wavelength calendar. The winner will receive a music video from Dineiro Films. The winner will also receive rhythm from, you know, our main sponsor, CR3 Records. Who's the winner? Kariz-Matikk, Sashga Production Artiste Elevation winner. The judges decide, and the 2 judges was the person who's going to be responsible to help me bring Kariz-Matikk on board, and these are the persons who decide they want to work with Kariz-Matikk.